Hi, how are you? This is Kumiko Nimayama from Spa Haven, Cal-a-Vie. This is a gorgeous day in California and we are in a patio, and I just wanted to share what we do here, mainly about wellness today. And I get so many questions about meditation, so I wanted to share how to start. Some people have never done meditation. That's hard to crack in. And I wanted to generalize two types of the meditation. One is guided meditation. The other one is self-practice. Guided meditation is a great way to go into the meditation because you don't need to do nothing actually. My client will be lying down on the floor and I guide it through scanning through the mind or chakra or entire body one by one, and client is listening and enjoying the relaxation spread it over your body. So the other one is self-practice, which is a little bit challenging, but also really nice practice you can do your own at home. When you practice, you use the breath work to go through your body to calm down your body and nervous system. And I will always ask, who are we able to do this? Actually, everyone should do it every day. And when? I will say morning, but if you don't have time in the morning, after you send it out to the family member, you can take just a little bit of time. And how long? 2, 3, 5, any minute you got. If you take 3 minutes in the morning and have a nice slow breathing, your day will be changed. Entire day will be much happier. And I always said this in my class, if you floss your teeth, you have to floss your mind, and that's what it is. Meditation floss your mind and help stress in your mind. So I just will do quick breathing. You're gonna bring your spine taller, and let's bring something underneath. I roll up the towel and put in there. If your knee is tired, you can put this underneath to make your knee comfortable. Bring your palms up, then spine taller, and gently close your eyes. I will suggest you to breathe only nostril. Now breathe in towards crown of the head. Slightly pause the crown of the head and exhale all the way down to your spine. Almost trickle down to your spine. And breathe in. And breathe out. Meanwhile, feel that your ribs open up and shrinking down. Sometimes I'll ask my clients to touch your ribs and open up when you breathe in. Breathe out, shrinking down. When you breathe in, fresh air comes into your body. Spread the relaxation in your body. When you breathe out, toxin, emotion, all out. You can keep breathe in and out through the nose. And when you're done, you're gonna start smiling, and your family or friends will start smiling back to you and becoming happiness spreading all over. Next time we're gonna do the Nadi Shodina, a little bit advanced, but it's gonna be so good. You'll be addicted. This is Kumiko from Cal-a-Vie. Hope to see you soon.